This is a 2017 Crownline 215SS. Comes with the trailer, swing tongue. This boat has 46 hours on it. Tandem axle trailer with brakes. Large swim platform, telescoping ladder, flip up cleats on the Crownline. Helps you so you don't catch your feet. Large swim pad with backrest. Does have a walkthrough where this cushion will slide back in. You don't have to step on your seats. Does have a bimini, grab bars, cup holders, speakers throughout, locking glove box, bolster seats, large ski locker. Stepping to the helm, you have side controls, tack, depth gauge, fuel gauges, voltmeter, speedometer, bilge pump, bilge blower, Hope radio system with Bluetooth. Stepping up to the bar, storage under all your seats, more cup holders, more speakers, grab bars, front anchor storage, the walk-through windshield. Lots of comfort in this Crownline. The Crownline is rated for 10 people. Great family boat, water sports, or just cruising around the lake. This is your 2017 Crownline 215SS.